times 9, 18, 3 times 9, 24, 27, 4 times 9, oh this is hard, oh no!
Are you facing any problem memorizing the multiplication table? Do you feel frustrated when you solve mathematics problem? I'm not going to solve your problem today, but I will make mathematics fun and make you fall in love with mathematics. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Science at Home. I am Shin, your resident social distancing scientist from Penang. Today we will be exploring the science of mathematics using some piece of paper. So I have one piece of paper in my hand labeled A and B. I have a very simple question. How many faces does this paper have? The answer is very simple. It has two faces. So if I roll this paper into this shape, like a cylinder, face A is on the outside and face B is in the inside. So imagine if I shrink you into a very tiny person and you start to walk on A. Will you be able to reach point B? Let's find out. Imagine yourself starting at point A. So you start here and you start walking all the way. Of course, you ended up back at point A. As you can see here, the inside, which is the face B, is not drawn at all. So this actually proves that this shape has two faces. I have another question for you. If I cut this piece of paper along the middle line, what will I get? Let's find out. No surprise at all. I will get back two identical loops, which is the same shape as just now, but smaller. So how can you walk from A all the way to B? There is a very simple trick I will teach you. Before you tape the paper, twist one of the ends like this and stick it around the middle. So you will get this very wonderful shape. Okay, it seems weird, and it is called a Mobius strip. It's time for us to do the walking test again. Right, so we will start at A like just now. Aha! There you go! We have reached point B. What if we continue walking? There you go! We ended up back at point A. So this actually proves that the Mobius strip has only one face. Now, we will cut this piece of paper along the middle line and see if we can get back the two pieces like just now. Aha! Instead of two pieces, we only get back one big loop. Now we will combine different loops and different Mobius strips together and we will get some really interesting shapes. We have two normal loops over here and now we will tape it together like this, forming this very interesting shape. You will need to put a lot of tape between them. We will now create two different Mobius strips using different color paper. Number one, twist it towards the front like this and stick it in the middle. Number two, we will twist it towards the back and stick it in the middle. We now have two different Mobius strips that twist in different directions. Let's tape these two Mobius strips together in the middle and then we will cut it. We have seen the difference between a normal loop and a Mobius strip. Did you know that Mobius strip is actually very common in your daily lives? I believe you have seen this symbol. Aha! It's called the universal recycling symbol. I believe you have seen this in a lot of packaging and plastic products. It symbolizes an endless recycling. What we have just done is called topology. In mathematics, topology is the branch that studies the properties of surfaces, and it is widely used in the mapping of physical locations.
Oh, I didn't know maths can be this fun.
Isn't she correct? I have another design here with a lot of Mobius strips.
I challenge you to do this at home. Post it in your social media and don't forget to hashtag Penang and hashtag science at home.
See you next time. Bye! Oops, I forgot something. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it to your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon down below.
Also follow us on all our social media.
Stay tuned!